in the trial court order.
The IO says I have not really sent the watch. Watch was stopped at 2:45 a.m.
Now the state
No answer.
State is in favor of a
State is in support. That's as per the affidavit says that it can be done.
We have given a complete factual account of whatever happened, Malos, from our limited. The investigation with the state was for a preliminary period of 1 year. Thereafter, Malos, it was with the CID.
it to be sent to the CID.
Malos, there were applications filed, Malos, and there was a huge
Because the hue and cry, in fact,
there was a public
Protest
outrage.
against that you are not
The
nabbing
state
the
itself
yes.
referred it to the
Yes.
CID.
CID.
and they then
There
brought
are-
it to CBI.
CBI also.
They brought in the CBI also.
They brought in. Unfortunately, if I just read the CBI's IO statement,
Where
it
is
said,
that?
my lords may kindly see the second volume,
494. 490.
page 494, my lords.
49.
Start at 492, PW 35.
Deputy CBI.
Yeah.
List.
And it's interesting to note that, okay, including the mother's statement has not been recorded by any of all the three agencies. The mother's statement, the victim's mother.
Seen that incident.
He's the first.
Statement is
Her statement itself is not recorded.
Not examined before the court, man. She was given a.
And these are the local lords, local who are just appearing pro bono.
Actually, are maliciously implicated, Your Honor. You're suffering from medical condition
how
where
long were you in prison?
6 years, 3 months. And also in addition,
Lords, page 494.
other two are double murder case, Your Lordship. This is how they maliciously hounded you.
The statement starts from 492.
And it's very interesting to note that, in fact, it is those actual accused bring this, okay, accused. The respondent number 10 and actually.
Lord, second volume, page 494. It's just after the heading cross-examination by the counsel. I am referring third line onwards if my lords have this page. I had Justice Sajdev, lords, may I read from there, lords?
This is a CBI officer, my lord. The are you? Must be the this proposal, give proposal, yes, this proposal.
That's good.
The names are mentioned in that.
Sir.
Yes, eyewitness, my lord.
Who says that I saw these three persons over there?
She's not examined.
No.
He's there now.
Yes,
Yes,
lords.
sir. Then Janmavi, my lord, then.
They approached the witnesses we named and they are ready to give lord depose and they have taken partial protection, whatever extent they wanted.
No, complete protection. Protection has been given. It's an acknowledgement.
Perhaps is very, very damaging to the CBI. Reflects very poorly upon them.
Yes.
Nothing more, nothing less. It does not even visit the site of the crime. It does not even go there.
My lords, I was trying to say something, my lords. My lords said that I am not trying to shield.
Want to
I'm,
line of the CBI on this?
my lords, I was trying to assist the court.
To say that three agencies have already.
My lord,
given
that
a
is what I am
careful
not going into
saying.
that reply.
Three agencies did not complete the investigation.
I am not on that.
One to the other. You are the only one who seems to have done the investigation by the looks of it.
May I now say, my lord?
Then you put this man in the dock.
My lord, I am not defending anybody, nor the investigation. I am on something larger
To
issue.
the reinvestigation in a matter of this nature,
Lord.
where your IO has gone on record to say this. How do you even stand by this and say that there's need for a reinvestigation?
My lords, I am,
A girl has been raped and killed
I
in
am-
the most brutal fashion.
my lord, I am on something more fundamental, and that is what I wanted to assist this court.
The CBI must be trusted with whatever it says.
Again, my lords, I did not say that. What I am trying
What
to
is
say
the
is,
more fundamental issue that?
yes, my lords. My lord, since 2012, when this incident happened, in 2013, the CBI took over the investigation from CID. So this was the third agency. Now, in 2015, the charge sheet was complete. My lord, once charge sheet was complete, it was all along in their knowledge what has happened, what is there, and what is not there.
That's your defense.
I'm saying something
I
else, my
made a
lord.
mistake and nobody pointed out that it was.
I am not saying that, my lord. I am just trying to tell today what basically what we are today, my lord, can there be now today, there is no way that today there can be an evidence that can be reformed, the forensic evidence.
To send it back to you, considering the stand that you have taken now and the stand that is now evident from your deposition. Obviously, the CBI is out, not to be trusted with it.
SIT only.
Perhaps it's better that the state only does it.
Otherwise, an SIT can be formed by lordships. And
For a SIT to be formed, my lord.
The state decide how.
Yes.
otherwise, these are certain
Abide by whatever
proposed names that are there
whatever my
of
lord
independent
passes.
officers.
Because whatever orders my lords passes, we'll abide by that. We have given the affidavit on a factual account. Whatever.
My lordships may have a look at this if an SIT can be constituted. Otherwise, it's a
Lords, we have given suggestions.
To have happened is the IO of CBI has acted as a judge. He's only looked at evidence collected earlier and then given his
Yes.
interpretation, filed a charge sheet. He's not conducted any independent investigation.
My lord,
Simply looked at statement already
yes.
recorded and then come to an inference and filed the charge
my lord, I am not defending that. I am not defending that. I am saying, my lord, suppose, my lords,
sheet. Saying that after 12 years, CBI is not capable of finding any evidence.
I am not saying that also, my lords.
This time,
No,
remember this.
I am not saying that also, my lords.
Old cases will reopen.
I am not saying that also, my lords. I am saying once their entire trial has taken place, it will, my lords, change the jurisprudence.
For your purpose, the process, definition which is suffering from your lordship.
No,
That's right. Your
How does
Lordship.
that assist this case in the sense of
he is over.
be actually appointed to supervise an SIT to be,
Was suggesting that, my lord. If Justice O can,
or anyone that you.
if my lords are directing for the reinvestigation under retired, any Supreme Court retired judge, if
Why
that
do you
can-
want?
as my lord.
The state says that it wants to undertake that exercise. Why should they doubt their bona fides on that score?
That's my only request is to kindly keep the matter pending here so that
Just to say,
that's my request is to keep the matter pending here so that
Why should we keep it?
that
pending?
does make a difference. my lord.
We'll reserve judgment. So once we send it back to the state for reinvestigation, it starts from square one again.
But we have seen the differences when my lords keep the matters pending here.
That's a request if it's possible.
We have seen in so many cases, it makes a huge difference. my lord.
It's a very sensitive matter.
interim direction may be done, right? It's as a-
We are reserving judgment. Thereafter, whatever compliance reports we need to call for from time to time.
As my lords, please. We are so very grateful. Grateful.
and witnesses we should mention that, and eyewitnesses.
Because my lord may just note that the protection was given. There was an order
Protect.
that because my lords had directed that we had granted protection adequately.
Protection to be continued.
Let the protection order was continued. Yes, ma'am. So very grateful. Extremely grateful.